Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another subscription box from Hunt Vault. This is the Hunt Vault Elite. You buy this, you are elite. But before we get into it, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and ring that notification bell, because you might get notified when I upload new content. Who knows? It's all up in the air. Just do it anyway. It makes me feel better. All right, you guys ready for Hunt Vault? Are you ready? Let's do it. Alright, so we are back with Hunt Vault. And as per usual, this is a monthly subscription service, and you can Google them if you want. Hunt Vault. There's one box, Elite. If you go to Hunt Vault, this is a family-owned and veteran-owned company, so if that applies to you, reach out to them, and they will hook you up with a discount. And if you give them a 12-month commitment, they will shave like $10 a month off the price of the subscription box. Alright, so here we go. Without any further ado, here is your top-down view. Friends, Hunt Vault. Ooh. Okay. Got stuff. Got more stuff. All right. There we go. All right. Let's do what we do. See what we got. All right, here's a card. We got to scan it. So this card's not very helpful because it doesn't really give us anything. Should I scan it now? Nah, screw it. We'll do that at the end. All right, let's see what we got here, man. Woo! Okay, we got something from Muddy. We got some flat bungees. Okay, these are good for, you know, your ATV or really anything. They're just flat. They're flat bungee straps. For use with ATVs, bundled electrical cords, car, cargo rack, luggage, motorcycle pickups, RVs, tarps, tents, trucks. 36-inch length, 0.71 width, J-hook ends. 36-inch, it is a 4-pack. So you do have 4 of them. And this is plastic, so this is not metal. Woo! I don't know about that, bro. Yeah, that's some plastic. That's some plastique right there. I'm gonna tell you. Look, let's just be honest. I am a connoisseur of bungee and tie-down straps. I do not like the idea of plastic straps. I need a metal hook, bro. I need metal. I don't know why I put these down. Because y'all know I can't see. Alright, so what we got here? Alright, we got Hunt Coffee Co. Ooh, this is the hit lister, yo. Medium roast. Okay, Hunt Coffee. Okay. What they got to say? What kind of flint? Is it tactical, bro? This is what we need to know. Is this tactical? Is this tactical coffee? Or is this just like hunter coffee? All right, let's see. It says, tasting notes, balanced and nutty. Crafted from cold stands, long sits, and the moment a giant steps out. Hit lister medium roast is brewed for those who eat, sleep, and breathe big bucks. Giggity. That's what she said. All right, so yeah, we got some coffee. Now, here's the problem. This will probably be sent to a fellow YouTuber of a friend of mine, Wolfman. So go to you know, YouTube and type in like Wolfman MRE review or something, and you'll find this channel. I will probably send this to him as a Christmas present, and he will try it because he loves coffee. I do not like coffee. So probably the review of that will be on his channel. The problem is Ed's watching this live. Forget that I said that. Moving on. All right, what we got here? We got Muddy Pathfinder lightweight sling. Okay, so we got a sling. Okay. Swivels included, pivots, 2.375 width. Okay. So we got a sling. What kind? I mean, is this for a gun? Is this for a bow? It just says sling. Can we use, I guess we can just MacGyver this bad boy, right? Let's open this. Let's open this jank. Because I know the glare is probably killing y'all. Okay, so we got some cool Hunt Vault, you know, logo on there. Oh, check it out. We got the little Hunt Vault We got the little Hunt Vault thing stamped in the rubber there. I like that. Okay. What the ends look like. I don't want to tear the package open though, man, because stuff like this, I don't really need any slings. But it is cool because it says Hunt Vault. I do like that. And this padded, that's, okay, it's not bad. If you're new to my channel, hello, how you doing? Thank you for being here. Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. But stuff like this, sometimes they go into giveaways that I do on my channel. Because I'm not above trying to bribe you to watch my channel. That's really kind of sad. Alright, moving on. Alright, we got something from Tactica. You know I love Tactica stuff. Alright, we got the K200 compact knife. Boy, that's a weird looking knife. We're gonna have to open it, bro. Usually stuff like this I don't open, as I just said. I give away this stuff. But I'm intrigued. Color me intrigued. Check this out. How you like that? Look at that. 3D printed, bro. All 3D printed. Automatic. Love it. Awesome. All right, let's see what this Tactica K200 compact knife look like. Let's see what it do. All right. Ooh, I like that. It is compact. Look at that. I do like the green sheath. Boy, that is a skeletonized thing if I ever saw. Ooh, check that out. Now, that is actually a really nice looking little knife. I like the big choil. I like the serration right here. I even like the little sneaky, you know, carbon scarring on the blade that's printed on, but that's okay. And we do have some jimping up here, right where it needs to be. Dude, I like that, man. You know, very, you know, skeletonized. Well, that's not skeletonized, bro. That's a chasm. That's like the Grand Canyon right there. So yeah, but it's a very nice looking little blade. So yeah, just for a little compact knife, as advertised. This is what they advertised. Tactica said, hey, this is a compact knife, bro. This is a compact knife. Got a nice little sheath. Got a little belt clip. Little OD green action going on. I like that, bro. That's actually not bad. I like this. Well done, Tactica. Right in time for Christmas, bro. Okay, so Tactica. Not bad. Love it. And it is D2. It's drop point blade. I believe it's D2 steel. I think almost all of these Tactica knives, I got called out in one of my prior videos because I didn't say what kind of blade steel it was, but I did look, and it seems to me that like pretty much all of Tactica blades use some variation of a formula of D2 steel. Take that for what it's worth. Just saying. But this is the K200. There you go. All right, and then we got something here that's got all the safety stuff on it. And we got the normal Proverbs 18:10. The good thing about if you subscribe to Hunt Vault is you get these nice boxes that got the Proverbs 18:10 verse in it. You flip them over. What is this? Ooh, what is this? You cut this bad boy out, and guess what you got? There you go. All right. So the last thing in this Hunt Vault is the Poseidon Pro from Dark Energy, which is funny because I'm going to give one of these away in an upcoming giveaway because I have one. Actually, I have one sitting up there. You guys can't see it, right? Yeah, you can't see that. It's up there. And this is, how big is this one? This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank. So it's got this cool camo look. This is the Poseidon Pro. It will do your phone and all that jazz. It's a very kind of a slim factor. The kicker about these from Dark Energy is the case that the battery is housed in. It's supposed to be super rugged. So, you know, for you hunters and everything, you know, this is really good. It says, let's see, submersible. It has the highest waterproof certification. It's armored. It says it's built for years of rugged outdoor use, and it can do 2 to 3 charges for a phone in one go. So there you go. Oh, Poseidon Pro from Dark Energy. There you go. Okay, so in this box, that's everything, guys. So we got the Poseidon Pro, which is awesome. The Tactica K200 compact knife, which I think is awesome, a home run. We got the Muddy lightweight sling, which I really don't need. We got these bungees that are highly suspect. And we got some Hunt Coffee Co. medium roast, which we will... Somebody else will review that. It will not be me. So this is what we got in this month's Hunt Vault. Now, let's go to the card real quick while I got y'all here, wasting y'all's time. I'm just kidding. I'm not wasting your time, really. I'm trying to be a good sport here. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, this is the December Elite box, right? Is that what it says? December Elite box. Okay, so the Poseidon Energy Pro Power Bank. $120, yo. Woo, man. That kind of hurt my soul. Okay, then we got the Tactica K200 compact knife. This carries an $80 price tag. Yeesh. That's kind of pricey. That's kind of pricey. Just saying. Okay, the gunsling. Oh, okay, now they do say that this is a gunsling. Which I don't think it really... Well, it depends on how big it is. Like if you could use it for like a smaller bow or something, I don't know. But anyway, 22 bucks. 22 bucks. Oh, and it does have QD swivels. Okay, so that's good. So yeah, there you go. Okay, we got the Hunt Coffee Co. Medium Roast Blend, $19. And then we got the Muddy Flat Bungee of questionable holding strength plastic hooks. 16 bucks. Okay, so that's it. This is December Elite box. So tell me, guys, in the comment section down below, down there, what do you guys think about Hunt Vault Elite December? What do you think? As per usual, I look forward to seeing all of you in the comment section down below. And yeah, so it's about to be Christmas, right? So Merry Christmas to everybody. And, please, don't let the stress of seeing family members that you don't like or whatever get to you during this time. Remember, this is a cheerful, festive time for you to love those who you love and appreciate those who you appreciate. And if you are struggling during this time of year, the Lord is always there for you. You just have to let Him in and ask for help. And with that, may the good Lord bless all of you. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's all I got, guys. I'm out of here. Y'all be cool, and I will see you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Wait. There we go. I knew I had to burp. I knew it. Now, as long as I don't sneeze, I'll be all right. All right. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.